Hey guys, Carlos here with Bearable Traders. Happy Friday. Hope you had a great trading day today and a great week as well as we get into our weekend. So here's my recap today, but before we get into that, just want to let you know that I am very excited to meet a lot of you guys in the NYC meetup with Dr. Brett Steenbarger that we are having September 21st. That will be a Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern time. Please head into our site so you can sign up and reserve your spot. Space is limited, and we also want to make sure we have room for everyone. So again, we're looking forward to see the presentation that's being prepared for us, as well as meeting with some of you guys and having a conversation, trading, and also have a couple of drinks while we're at it. So here's my recap for today, guys. TNA and Docu were the two trades I took. Docu was a trade that, again, just was not executed well by me. A little bit of FOMO. It's just not a great entry. But I'm happy with the fact that I realized that and got out before it was too late, realizing that was in a bad trade. It's sometimes not easy to do. You know, you either get stopped out or, you know, you hope and wish that it can continue lower. In this case here, here's your opening range, right, which is very clean. Let me make this a little bigger so you can see. So here's the opening range that's very clean, right in this area. And then the entry's got to be around here somewhere, closer to VWAP, a lot higher than when I got in, right? Right in this area is where probably where you want to get in. I got in here and I realized, wait a minute, I am in a situation where 54.82 is a level of prior resistance on the daily chart. So if we go over to the daily chart here, you can see in our morning show, we put this together and you can clearly see how much resistance that level has been in the past and how many times that has been tested. So going short into a level with that much strength that is now support can be a very, very bad idea. In this case, it was. You can see how quickly this thing squeezes up all the way up to VWAP. Again, my entry here, not a clean risk to reward. Also, with the information that you have here in the 1 minute, you can clearly see how this was tested twice and it pops back up. I realized that once I was in the trade, so, you know, bad trade management on my part, and quickly got out of that for a very small loss. My next trade was on TNAV. So this one was a little bit cleaner. Still not the best entry due to being in Docu. I missed this beautiful opening range breakdown. This would have been perfect here. Nice pullback, great risk to reward. My entry here is definitely not the best. My thought process was as soon as it loses the 631, it can possibly be a great short to the next level we had, which was the $6 mark down here. Obviously, the entry not as great, very extended from the VWAP, but it did turn out to be a great short towards the bottom. Now, knowing that I do not have the best entry, right? I did reduce my shares to 500. So on the way down, I took most of it out at 6, took my first partial, then realizing how close my entry is, I don't want to get squeezed back to break even and take everything out. I took another partial out as well. Just to protect the profits. It did push up a little bit, tested this moving average on the 9 EMA and heads back down towards the previous day close. I had a limit here around 5, slightly above the previous day close, I think about 582 or 81 or 3 or so. So took everything out there for a small win. Again, this could have been a really bad day if Docu would have squeezed. I mean, if you look at that squeeze here, that could have turned out pretty ugly. So it just kind of shows you where if you do not have a good entry and wait for a good pullback, good risk to reward, it can really turn really against you pretty fast. So hope you guys had a great day, guys. Take care. Hope to see you guys on that NYC meetup. Again, go to the site, sign up. Make sure to comment and like this video, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, guys.